Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be showing you what I made for dinner, which is some steamed fish with vegetables. So here are my fish that I seasoned. I will link the full ingredients down below of the seasonings that I used. Alright, so first I'm just going to be sauteing my onion, bell pepper, allspice, scallion and thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Once those are sauteed, then I'll be adding in my vegetables. So these are my vegetables that I'll be using. I have pumpkin, Irish potato, carrot, string bean, and some garlic. And then I'm just going to be adding all of this to my pan. And once I added all the vegetables, I added about 2 cups of water. And here are my seasonings that I'll be using. I have all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, fish spice, and also black pepper. So I'm just going to add everything to my vegetables. And now I'm just going to cover my pot and allow the vegetables to cook for at least 4 minutes before we add the fish. And once it was about 4 minutes, then I went in and added my fish to the pot. And I also added in about 2 tablespoons of non-salted butter. And we're just going to allow the fish to steam for at least 10 to 12 minutes because we don't want to overcook our fish. And here I'm just adding in my Scotch bonnet pepper. This is optional. I just like the flavor of the Scotch bonnet, so I'm just going to add it and then I will allow it to cook for another 6 minutes. And this is how it was looking, guys, after about 12 minutes of cooking. And here I also added some small pieces of yams. The yams were already cooked and I decided to add them to my steamed fish. So now it's about time to turn out the flame, so I'm just going to turn it off and plate this up. And if you've reached this far in my video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and give this recipe a try. Look at that, guys, it was smelling so delicious and the taste was even better. Steamed fish is one of my favorite meals to have because you can make it into a one-pan thing. You don't have to do 2 different set of meals. You just add all your vegetables and all your ground food that you would like to have in it, and that's it. And here it was once I plated everything. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my video. Until next time, bye.